How's it going, YouTube? It's Angel Barber back with another YouTube tutorial. Today we're doing a mid taper POV style. So as you see, I got right into it, and we're going in with an 8 guard, making sure everything is even and clean up that canvas. See how I brush the hair down, making sure everything is getting laid down and cut right, just to have a nice even haircut. Now that we got the 8 all around, we're gonna go ahead and do a 3 on the sides, and this is gonna be our highest guard for the taper. You see I start from the sides, the back, and then go back onto the side again. And I did this tutorial just to show you guys how I normally do my haircuts, you know, save time, and how I'm efficient with the haircut as well. So you see I'm doing a 3 all over, saving time. You know, once you have a guard on, you want to make sure you use that guard as much as you can so you're not going back and forth. Then with my clipper open, we're gonna go ahead and make our first guideline, and then we close it, bald it out, and then take out that one guideline, just to make it easier on ourselves. Again, I'm talking about being efficient and saving time. Again, you see me with the guard, no guard open, then I close it, leave about an inch, and then take out that line that we have. And eventually, this whole video is sped up. Normal time it would have been 30 minutes. It would have been raw footage, but I assumed that you guys would not want to stay for 30 minutes on here and watch the whole tutorial, so I'm just speeding it up. So I times it by 2, so that's why it's going a little quicker. So now with the 1 guard open, I'm gonna go ahead and make our next guideline, fanning out to the 3. And you see some spots are a little lighter just because he did used to get a low drop fade. So no, I did not take it too far. It was just the fact that he used to get a low drop fade. Just the 1 guard open, flick out so we don't create nothing too harsh. This is how I do my haircut, YouTube. All I do is try to maximize the guard or the clipper, whatever I'm using, to the most, you know, so I don't have to pick it up as much, because every time you pick up that guard or clipper, you're using more time. So make sure you guys are using your guard or clipper tool to its max potential. So I ended up doing the 1 open and then closing it just to soften up the line. Eventually I'll be going in with a half guard, taking it out, and here I go with the half, taking out that line. You see I use the corner of my blade as always, making sure I'm taking that line out, playing with the guard as well, stretching the scalp. And let me know what you guys think of these tutorials. Should I do more of these point of view, or do you guys want to see the whole length of the video? It's just be like 30 minutes that you guys will have to watch. But here I go again in the back of the neck, using the half guard, flicking out. This is how you do my haircuts, YouTube. Again, I do all around the head, so I maximize the clipper and the guard that I'm using, or the tool that I'm using. As you see, I have not done one side and then do the other side. I usually do my haircuts like this, just do all around the head, just to save time and be efficient with the haircut as well. But whatever works with you guys, you know, that's just my system. If that doesn't work for you and it saves you time by doing one side first and then the other, then go ahead. Whatever saves you time and is efficient for you, make sure you guys are doing that. Now with our liners, we're going in and cleaning up the neck, making sure it's nice and bald. We're cleaning up the facial hair as well, the side of the cheeks. Really maximizing the liners right now. So whatever I'm gonna use with the liners, I'm gonna make sure I get everything done just to save the time, like I've been saying. So we're doing the C cups now. And we're doing the neck. Start from the neck, then to do the above the earlobe, and then connect everything together. This is gonna help you not push anything back, keep it nice and natural. And see how that haircut is coming. This haircut only took me about 35 minutes to do everything. It doesn't take that long. I said you're not rushing, you're just being efficient, maximizing your tools to its full potential, and every guard you use as well. Now we're lining up his goatee. Again, maximizing the liner, doing everything, lining up everything or cleaning everything up with the liner, so I don't have to pick it up again and use more of my time. Trust me, YouTube, if you guys do this, at the moment I started doing this, maxing out the tool that I'm gonna use, it's gonna save you time. Trust me. I didn't believe it until I used it, and I'm over here doing 35-45 minute haircuts. Just depends, you know, but no more than an hour. Now we're gonna go ahead and do his lineup now. Start from the middle, work our ways to one of the sides. Right here I started to the left. Now it's time for you to use our shavers, balled out everything. You see how I used my liner to clean up the facial hair, do the C cups, line up the neck, and do his front lining, line up his mustache. I did all that with the liner, maximizing the tool. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use a shaver and do the same thing as well, maximize it, clean up everything. This is not rushing, guys. This is maximizing your tools, being efficient, and having a system set up. Now we're gonna go ahead and begin to use a straight razor, pulling the scalp with the skin and using the blade at a 45-degree angle. This is gonna help you avoid any cuts or nicks. Consistently just pulling the skin and making sure that blade is at a 45-degree angle. In the comments down below. Again, if you guys want to watch the whole video, let me know in the comments. I just personally thought 30 minutes was a little too long. Again, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment and all that. Don't forget to follow my Instagram. It's Angel Barber, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. See you.